one here to catch a black mamba. Black mambas are very poisonous. It happens that they bite you. At the same time, you have a tail. Same time, have a tail. And you can even conk. The whole body can conquer. And conquer them people, conquer like this. And the poison runs to the heart, blocks the heart. You can die in a few seconds. So you have to be careful. Right? Because you are trained to do this thing on a daily basis. What you do, you hug it like this. Then the tongue, catch, you leave this one. Yeah? You go to it. It's springing, don't worry about the springing. Don't worry about the springing. Hold. You calm. Yeah? You open a bit, it goes back to hold the head. Hold the head. You can leave the dog. This is the yoke. This is the yoke. You see, very simple.